She Forges is our women's employee resource group here at Forge Biologics that was created to help recruit, develop, and celebrate women, both at Forge Biologics and in the broader biotech community.
I felt at home as soon as I joined. Everyone was so kind and so loving. It really just builds a lifelong community for me.
I learn something new every time we have an event, whether it's a speaker that comes in or a chance to volunteer or just to have a coffee chat with someone that I've never talked to here at Forge.
I've been involved since 2021, and really where I find a lot of my excitement and my interest is in the community engagement element.
She Forges has given me so many opportunities to do outreach with the community.
We've been able to go to a variety of elementary schools within the Columbus region and really just put our scientists on display and engage with these young elementary school aged kids and really show them that there are a lot of women in the science field and they are doing really impactful work, and that is a career opportunity for people should they want to enter that space.
She Forges is a way for women at Forge to really understand that we are wanted, we are desired, and we are needed in science. We come together and we honor each other, we embrace each other, and support each other.